My name is Cleo. I was with Art and Film from 2010 to 2015, participating in Cine Club and Film Workshop all 5 years. Right now, I'm a third year at Columbia University in New York, making short films, studying film, and working at various film companies in the city. I look back on my time at Art and Film very fondly, particularly the weeks leading up to and culminating in our final film festival. We would all cram into Ronald's tiny studio, trying to find space for our laptops and hard drives, and go crazy while we watched our films over and over, trying to finish them and make them perfect for the festival. It was great to bond with everyone there and give each other notes and finally see our projects come to realization. My junior year of high school, my fourth year in Art and Film, I made a project called Stranded, which I was particularly proud of, and it was amazing to finally see it on the big screen at the end of the year along with all of my peers and see all of my and their ideas and collaboration come to fruition.